Hey everyone! Today we've got another fun little math puzzle. This time we're adding three numbers, A, B, C, D, A, B, C, and A, B. And the result is 1, 3, 7, 4. And yeah, just like before, each letter stands for a different digit. None of them can be zero. And our job is to figure out what A, B, C, and D actually are. If you want to try it on your own first, go ahead and pause for a sec. And when you're ready, let's solve it together. All right, so unlike most puzzles, this one is kind of fun because we actually start from the left column. The result begins with a 1 and A can't be 0, so the only possible value is, A equals 1. Now let's look at the next column to the right, the hundreds column. We're adding B plus A plus maybe a carry from the right, but A is 1, so this becomes B plus 1, and the result in that column is 3. If there was a carry already, we'd get B plus 1 equals 3, which would make B equal 1, but B can't be 1 because A is already 1. So that means there's no carry here, and B must be 2. Okay, moving right again to the tens column. Now we're adding C plus B plus A plus maybe a new carry. Since A is 1 and B is 2, this becomes C plus 3 plus carry 1. And the result in that column is 7. That gives us two possibilities. Either C equals 3 with a carry of 1, or C equals 4 with a carry of 0. Now here's the fun part. We look at the ones column to break the tie. We're adding D plus C plus B, and the result ends in 4. But B is 2 and C is at least 3. So D plus C plus 2 is definitely bigger than 4. So this column must produce a carry. That forces C to be 3 and the carry to be 1. Now that we know C is 3, we go back to that ones column. D plus 3 plus 2 has to make 14, which tells us D is 9. So now we've got all the digits. A equals 1, B equals 2, C equals 3, and D equals 9. And if you check it, 1, 2, 3, 9, plus 1, 2, 3, plus 1, 2, does actually equal 1374. Finally, the puzzle asks for the sum A plus B plus C plus D, which is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 9, equaling 15. And if you solve this in a different way, or if you spotted a shortcut, feel free to share your method in the comments. I always love seeing different ways people think through these puzzles.